Hey guys, thank you for watching. I'm Caleb Pierce, and today what we're talking about is what I just bought. I actually haven't driven the motorcycle at all, haven't heard it start up at all, and I drove 12 hours to pick it up. So this is going to be pretty exciting. You guys are going to be hearing it for the very first time as me. So let's do a review of a BMW 310. So it's pretty cool seeing some of the engineering on BMW, brand new bike. I'll show you guys how it starts up. So I'm actually haven't been riding a bike for a long time. So now we can go ahead and just make sure it's in neutral. Neutral, got the blinkers on. And then we can hit the start button. That's the kill switch. Okay, if you're like me, you want to hear what does this thing rev like. Let's see. Ooh. Oh yeah, nothing like the sweet fumes of exhaust from these puppies. I'm going to show you guys this end what it looks like. So, safety first, you always need your jacket and your boots and your helmet. Let's get them on. Now it's time to enjoy the ride. I have one of my brothers coming over for us to do the drive today. And yeah, it's going to be fun. Let's see how it works.